interest calculations. Let us understand the concept by considering a problem. I borrowed rupees 200 from a money lender such that rupees 220 will be returned back after 1 year. What this means? It says that I am paying rupees 20 to the money lender extra than I borrowed 1 year back. So for keeping rupees 200 with me for 1 year or utilizing rupees 200 that I borrowed, I have to return 20 rupees extra to the money lender. This 20 rupees is called interest. So, interest is the extra money I paid than I borrowed. The amount I borrowed is called principal. Amount I returned, I am calling it is the total amount returned or total amount, and we already discussed this is the interest. So what is the interest? Interest is given by the formula total amount minus principal. That I already discussed. Interest is the extra amount that I paid than I borrowed. In the problem we are considering, I pay back 220 after 1 year, of which 200 is the principal. So the interest I paid is rupees 20. Thus, our above equation can also be written as 200 I borrowed for 1 year. I am paying 200 again the principal plus an interest of 20 rupees. We are having 3 terms here. They are the principal, I borrowed the amount, the same principal I returned back, and the interest I paid. There is a 4th term. It is written 1 year here. It is the period after which I paid back the amount. Now we are going to understand what is the rate of interest I have to pay. Rate always means how much it is for 1 rupees. In this case, I have to pay 20 rupees as interest for 200 rupees after 1 year. That is, I have to pay an interest of 1/10 rupees for 1 rupee I have borrowed after 1 year or per annum. Per annum means annually. Annually means yearly. So it is same. So I have to pay 1/10 rupees for 1 rupee per annum as interest. The rate of interest is how much we need to pay as interest for rupees 1 we borrowed. For For practical cases, it is expressed in percentage. That is, for 100 rupees, how much I have to pay as interest. In our case, for each rupees I borrowed, I have to pay 1 by 10 rupees. So, for 100 rupees, I have to pay 10 rupees. In our case, we can express rate of interest in percentage as 10% per annum. Here, you need to remember something while doing numericals of this type. For calculation purposes, convert rate of interest in percentage to rate of interest. How it is possible? We convert rate of interest to percentage by just multiplying with 100. So if it is given in percentage, then just divide it by 100 by dividing with the 100. When you are writing the last answer, express the rate of interest in percentage. How to calculate interest for one period if I know interest rate and the principal? It is very simple. Interest is equal to the product of interest rate and the principal. That is, interest rate I can denote it as R into principal I can denote it as capital P. So R into P. In the problem above we consider our interest rate is 10% per annum. So that is equal to 10 by 100. Let's convert to the interest rate. So R is given as 10 by 100. Principal we know it is 200. So I can get it is 10 into 2, that is equal to 20. That is the first part we already considered. In the beginning stage we considered we are paying 20 rupees as the interest. So reverse also we calculated it, as it is 20. Now how to calculate total amount to be paid? Total amount paid. How to calculate total amount paid if you know interest rate and the principal? We already know the formula for total amount is equal to the principal plus interest. We denote it as P. Interest is denoted as R into P. Taking out P common, I can get P into 1 plus R. So this is the formula for total amount paid for one period with a rate of interest R. and principal P. We will continue interest rate calculations, also some numericals in other videos. Please subscribe to our channel. Also, please like and share this video. Thank you.